Hello everyone, it's your girl here, V-Cut. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this makeup look. I am so obsessed with the eyes. Oh my god, look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So soft, so simple. This is a look that you can wear going to work, even to a wedding, even to any function. You can put this look. You can do without the lashes, but as for me, I love my lashes. Okay, so I'm going to list everything that I used in the description down below. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, I've already done my brows. I'm going to do a separate tutorial on that very soon. So right now I am priming my face. I'm going in with my E.L.F Gel Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow primer. If you've got an eyeshadow primer, you can use that. If you don't, you can use any concealer that you have. I love using this concealer because it also evens out the dark circles on my eyelids. So right now I'm using my blending brush. Make sure that my concealer is set. And I'm dusting off some pressed powder so that my concealer will not crease. Now I'm going in with my transition eyeshadow. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. Now defining my cut crease, I'm going to go in with a deep brown eyeshadow. Now on my eyelid, I'm going to go with this cream matte eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go back and make sure that I blend my eyeshadows. Going in with a clean blending brush, I'm going to make sure that all my eyeshadows are well blended. I'm now applying my gel liner. I'm not going to do anything dramatic. I'm just going to create a soft wing. And now, to prepare for my falsies, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to apply my mascara. I know some prefer to apply their mascaras after they have applied their falsies, but I like it this way. Now I'm going in with my E.L.F Gel Concealer in the shade Orange to just cover up some spots on my face before I apply my foundation. Now using a beauty blender, I'm applying my foundation. Okay, now taking in the foundation on my lips, I'm evening them out. This will also help my lipstick color to really pop out. Now I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my under eye area. So I'm now using this same beauty blender that I used to apply my foundation to blend my concealer. Now going in with my loose powder, I'm setting my concealer so that it will not crease during the day. I'm going to contour my cheekbones with the contouring powder. I'm also going to apply this on my forehead. Okay, going back to my eyes, I'm going to define my lower eyelid. Now I'm going in with my black eyeliner to smoke it up a little bit. I'm now warming up my face with this blusher. Just to finish my look, I'm going to highlight my brow bridge. Please don't leave your concealer showing. You need to make sure you blend it and you highlight your brow bridge with a highlighter, not with a concealer. I'm setting my makeup with a setting spray so that it will last all day.